Hello everyone, my name is Ibrahim Laden, and today we'll be looking at how to import a job in Planswift. So first of all, what we'll need to look for is go to the new on the tab, click on it. See here, job. You can insert your job description here, whether it is let's say architectural. Here, sorry, I'll just say proposed residential development, for maybe IB. Description, architectural and structural. So this, you leave it as local. Measurement type, we are using metric. If you are using metric, so next is where you import your job. Here you can come to browse, look for the folder. Here I will be importing this, so I'll click on it, press on OK. Here it is. So I'll just check all, or maybe let's see, what I need is just this like this, and stop there. Then you go to next. You can untick this if you want it to, if you want to stop it from converting to the software's based version, or you can leave it on PDF. If you untick this, it will just stay as a PDF, which is still okay, but it is better you change it to TIF. So like this, now you click on next and finish. Now we are importing our job. So this is it is being imported. The next thing to look at is, let's say, okay, I want to rename all of this. If I want to rename this thing, what you'll do is come to this page, then batch rename page, so that you to rename it batch by batch. So you can drag, right click and drag it. So here we have floor plan, then save and next, still drag. Here we have Windows and Windows schedule. Can come here, click on clean this one, DOS and Windows schedule. Next, you see, like that, you can rename your pages like that, and come back here to home. Sorry, come back here to home, and so now before we start our measurement, you will need to scale the page, which you'll be using this tool to do that. I'll be using this, like my longest dimension here, to scale the page, 11.54 meters. Come to this metric, 11.54. So you come to this, look for your first point where your measurement starts. Dimension starts here, click on it, and go to the second point where you double click. So now the page is scaled. But sometimes if you are using, let's say, a scanned file, it is better to dimension it two side, which is the horizontal and vertical. So let's do it 14.34. And click on this. Now we are done with our measurement. So we should just look a bit at our basic tools, which is in linear, area, and the count tool with the segments tool. So the linear tool, click on it. You can use this maybe if you want to know the gut of your building. Let's say gut. Yeah, this folder you can also this folder is when you want to group your measurement into folders. So let's say substructure. Then the guts of my buildings. This is just for example. I'll just be looking at the external guts. Sorry. Let me be quick about it. You can always zoom in so that you get the point well. So you can see my value here, 56.6 meters. And for the area tool, you can use this. Maybe I want to know my room area. Is it? Click on your first point and my second point. And when you want to stop, click. Then you can come on to this digitizer recorder. Just click on it and it will stop recording. And let's say you want to count some things. Let's say I want to count how many openings do we have here. For those, I'll be using this count tool. I'll say those. Okay, let's say I have one here, 2, 3, 4, and you can see I have counted 10 doors here. What about this segment tool? This segment tool is also something we use to calculate a linear, but in different form. Segment tool, let's say segment, we want to know the length of this door here, the opening length. Let's say opening length door here. See this, once you click on the endpoint it will stop. Then you look for another opening. So here you see it has added. Okay, and that is all for this introductory part to Planswift. I hope you all understand, and thank you all.